What's up guys, Johnny from Traxxas Racer. Today we are back here with the UDR. And in my previous UDR suspension test video, there were a couple of guys that commented and said, look Chandra, we believe that you can do a better slow motion video in terms of the whoops, so that the body is more stable while the wheels do all of the work. Now as you guys know me, I'm always going to make sure that all of my viewers are happy with my content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a attempt 2. Now this is going to be the UDR over the whoops, and I'm also going to take the UDR to the dirt lot, guys, just to rip it up and show you guys a couple of angles like I did with the Mojave 4S as well. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know down in the comments below if you think that my second attempt to the whoop test was more successful than the first one. That concludes the testing of the Traxxas UDR. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you think I was successful in my second attempt to do the whoops test, and also if you like the dirt section that I've put in the video as well. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Johnny from Traxxas, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!